My name is Tyler, and I live in a van with my little adventure buddy, Copper. Little did I know that this week's adventure would be as fun and crazy as it was. From sliding on ice into a guardrail at like 3 miles an hour, a little fun camping trip with my friend, and watching that friend nearly hit a moose and almost hitting it myself. You ready to go? Well, it is a windy day out here. We decided we were going to try to make it out to the barn today. See how long Copper lasts in the snow. Right now he's loving it, so that's good. Run, run, run. Is it hard running in the snow? Yeah. I really can't think of a better place to call my home base. It truly is amazing out here. Beautiful views are everywhere. Well, that was short-lived. Copper went running out, running back, running out, running back. Then he came up to me and was like, "I'm done," and just bolted back to the van. So, oh well, we tried. How can you beat this view? And the sun is finally poking through. We'll take it. You ready to go? Is that what this is? Is that what this is? Are you ready to go? Yep, okay. Let's go, bud. Come on, let's go get in the van. Up. Good boy. It's the next day, and it is finally snowing, like real snow. Not rain like over this weekend. You know, the weekend we were supposed to get 36 inches. This big snowstorm that we were supposed to get this weekend really was a letdown. We just pulled up to the laundromat. This is my favorite thing to do on days off, is laundry. Yeah. Laundry is probably one of the biggest reasons why my van is always cluttery. Because I hate doing laundry. The doing the laundry part, not so much. I don't really care about that. It's the putting it away. 99% of the time it just stays in my laundry bag, and I just pull out clothes when I need them. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this. Kind of pissed me off, but also made me laugh because there was nothing I can do about it. So we went to leave for work Monday morning. It was super icy. As I was turning the building to leave, and I wish I got this on film because it, it sucked, but it was funny. As I was turning the building to leave, obviously wasn't going fast. It was all icy, but it was like slow motion. The back end slid out, and I just slid right across the whole parking lot, right into a guardrail, and smashed in my bumper. Luckily, it was just the bumper, and luckily the van is lifted now because it hit it square in the middle of that bumper. Otherwise, it probably would have been like my tail light or the back corner. So, all things considered, it wasn't too bad because I want to replace those bumpers anyway. Once this boring chore of doing laundry is done, we're going to go run a couple errands. We got to pick up some firewood and probably some snacks as well. Because after that, we are going to meet up with my buddy Sebastian, and we're going to go on a little adventure tonight. We're going to go camping somewhere. I don't know where yet. Probably up in Teton National Park. We are going camping up in Coulter Bay tonight. Copper's excited. Poor little Copper is stuck. I got a bunch of firewood and it's kind of blocking him, and he can't jump up on the front seat. He'll figure it out, I'm sure. Hey, you made it. You made it. You want the window down now? That's what I thought. Yeah, good boy. morning, Copper. Good morning. I know. It looks cold out there, huh? Good morning. This is where we slept last night. The sun is out and it's bright. It was a fun night last night. We had a fire. It was cold and windy, but it's good. Copper's just running around. Where are you? There you are. Copper, where are you going, bud? This is such a cool area. It's so quiet. The drive up here, too, is just absolutely beautiful. This is the winter camping area in Coulter Bay. It's only $5 for the night, which is pretty awesome. There was one other truck here when we pulled up last night. They left this morning, but it really is pretty awesome. Like the only ones here. It's not glamorous by any means, and I don't know if you're actually allowed to have fires, but we had one anyway in the pop-up pit. It was a good night. I don't know what to say. Every time. Sleep good last night?
I slept pretty good.
Sweet.
Yeah, I slept in. I've been working too much, and it all caught up with me, and once I hit the bed, I'm like, okay, well, this is nice. So I usually wake up really early, but today I slept until like 7:30. Yeah, I know, it's super late.
And I was up early thinking he would be up early.
I'm usually
And
up here.
we were just waiting around.
Yeah.
Well, not waiting around. We were doing stuff. What's on the plan today?
I don't know. Just adventure around.
Yeah.
See
Play it
cool
by
stuff.
ear.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we're going to do.
We're in a good spot for it.
Yeah.
I will say that.
Yeah.
It's like the perfect time of year because there's no people here at all. Like, there's one other person
one
camping
truck
out here in this area last night, and they already left. So
Yeah.
we got the whole place to ourselves, and
was
it's
perfect.
pretty awesome.
And quiet.
And it's
was-
not cold. It's
I mean,
chilly, but
yeah.
it's not cold.
Cool.
It's about
Let's rock and roll. Copper's going to be whining. On the drive up here, he was staring out the front window at your van, just whining. He's like, I know who's in there. Cool. You ready, Copper? All right. All right, we're here at Jackson Lake. Oh, Copper's on a leash. He's not used to it, so he's yanking me around. We're gonna go check it out. What do you think, bud? Oh. Copper, chill, bud. This is pretty sweet. It's frozen,
it's frozen
but
enough, but we've had it.
it sure doesn't seem like it. Yeah. Oh. You want to go swimming?
Hell no. Just sink into
Oh.
water.
The dog's gonna knock me over. At the very least, if I do fall in, we're right at the shoreline, so it won't be deep.
Yeah, very short, very cold swim.
Yes. It's cold. Can't go any further in the park or up to Yellowstone. It's a cool drive though. Let's head on over here and see what's happening at Flag Ranch. Never been there. Go check it out. Check this thing out, dude. There's mine. Look at the tires on that thing. That is so cool. Just look at the difference that to that. Makes mine look tiny. It's crazy. These massive low pressure tires are huge. Now this is sick. 4-wheel drive on tracks. How rad would that be, bombing through the snow? There's Sebastian. Such a rad van again. What are you doing? I'm shopping. Definitely shopping. I'm thinking.
He's getting ideas now.
Yeah, I'm thinking tracks.
Tracks. I think tracks too.
Thinking tracks.
Those bolt right up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have jacks?
Yes. We've got all the tools necessary.
all the
to
tools.
do this walk right now. No one's gonna know.
No one's gonna
I feel
know.
like you're gonna get better fuel economy with the tracks than the big old tires.
Yeah, for sure.
They're way more practical too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I wouldn't have the excuse of being snowed in or missing work though.
Exactly. Just pull up right in front of the cowboy bar with your track.
Yeah. Copper's up chasing the birds. It's so funny. What do you see, bud? It's like a little mountain goat. He sees where is it? He sees that bird right there. And he's just staring at it. And yes, I am rocking the TBR magnet on the side of my van. Might as well rock it for some free advertising. Not only does it help. Oh, Sebastian's heater is smoking. I might as well rock some free advertising. Helps the business and also helps me because that's part of my job too. Hey, you're smoking this place up, man.
I know. I'm trying to bleed my diesel heater. I've been having issues with it because I replaced it and I don't know why. Like I know you're not supposed to have it running when you're driving, but I do because
Really?
It's 10 degrees outside.
Oh, I didn't know that. I run mine all the time while I'm driving.
That's what the internet says.
Oh.
So.
Dude, check out his van, man. This thing is sweet. Copper down.
Like
Down.
you know you're not
You
allowed
know
on
better.
the couch.
You know better,
try
bud.
every single time.
It's like, but I'm allowed on mine.
Yeah.
It's not yours. It's not yours, buddy. Yeah, look at this thing. This thing's rad.
The heater is turning on now, luckily. Like it's not cold, but I like it cozy in here.
Yeah,
You know?
might as well. Got the built-in sink and stove. Heck yeah. Copper's got to be a part of everything with
Yeah, he's the main character.
the
in
main
this
character.
story. He licked in my throat. Oh my god. If I licked you, you probably like it.
Yeah. You're like, we're best friends now. These things are so cool.
What do you think? You get one, I get one, and then we just do some crazy backcountry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should we go see if they'll let us drive one around the parking lot? Yeah. Yeah. Just around the parking lot. That's all we want to do. Nothing crazy. Copper. So we're just heading on up now to Slide Lake. Go check it out. And as soon as we pull onto the road that takes us up there, there's a moose just chilling. The moose just hanging out. We figured we'd end this little road trip adventure thing with heading up to Slide Lake. We've been up there many times, but Sebastian hasn't been up there during the winter, so we're gonna go check it out. This road is so icy, holy cow. We didn't stay there very long. It was getting chilly. So we're heading back into Jackson now. Copper got to go run around and explore a little bit. So we just got into Jackson and stopped to get a late lunch over at the DOG. It's this burrito joint that Sebastian goes to all the time. I had never had it. It was super good. When we were heading out from Slide Lake, we had quite the crazy adventure coming out of there. The roads were super icy, like slick ice. And we're coming down this hill and there's two moose in the road. And Sebastian comes over the radio and says, "This is a really bad place for a moose to be." And then he comes on the radio and says, "I can't stop." We're both of us at the same time like hit this ice and are just sliding down this hill. We have almost no control over the vans. So the moose go to run away and one of them falls and tries to get up and falls again right as Sebastian's coming up on this thing. And luckily he was able to turn just enough to miss it. It was crazy, terrifying, but funny too. We didn't have anything going, no cameras or anything, but as we were driving away, I remembered I have my dash cam that's recording all the time. So we were able to figure out how to get the footage off of it. So I'll show that right now. It was nuts. I'm taking Copper to the dog park right now because even though he got to run around quite a bit the last couple days, he's ready to go play with some friends, if you couldn't tell. And then after that, I think we're gonna go do bingo night again. Should be pretty fun. Well, that's it for this one, guys. We have got to work tomorrow. And I gotta get this daggum van put back together. It is so messy. It was fun hanging out with a fellow van lifer the last couple days and getting to show y'all a little bit of the Grand Tetons. Okay, we are going to bed. See y'all next time.